The island of Cyprus, bathed in the warmth of the Mediterranean sun, has long captivated the human spirit. From ancient civilizations drawn to its copper riches, to modern visitors seeking its sun-kissed shores, Cyprus has witnessed the ebb and flow of history. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the captivating story of this island nation, its resilient people, and its remarkable journey towards unity and prosperity. Strategically positioned at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and Africa, Cyprus boasts a history as rich and layered as the ancient ruins that dot its landscape. Its location has served as a maritime hub, a cultural melting pot, and a coveted prize for empires throughout the ages. Phoenicians, Assyrians, Egyptians, Persians, Greeks, Romans, Ottomans, all have left their indelible mark on this island, shaping its identity and destiny. From the legendary birthplace of Aphrodite, the goddess of love, to the ancient city kingdoms that once flourished here, Cyprus's strategic importance is undeniable. Its deep-water harbors welcomed trading vessels from distant lands, bringing with them not only goods and spices, but also ideas and traditions that would weave themselves into the fabric of Cypriot culture. Nicosia, the island's capital, stands as a poignant symbol of Cyprus's divided past and its aspirations for a unified future. The last divided capital in the world, Nicosia's Green Line, a UN-patrolled buffer zone, cuts through the heart of the city, a stark reminder of the conflict that has shaped recent history. Yet within this division, the spirit of resilience thrives. Step back in time within the Venetian walls of the Old City, where narrow streets lead to charming cafes and bustling markets. Byzantine churches stand as testaments to a rich spiritual heritage, while Ottoman mosques speak to the island's diverse cultural tapestry. Nicosia, in its divided state, offers a glimpse into a complex past while holding on to the promise of a shared future. The air itself seems to hum with the melody of many languages in Cyprus. Greek and Turkish, the official languages, intertwine with the dialects and languages brought by visitors and settlers throughout the centuries. English, widely spoken, reflects the island's ties to the Commonwealth, while Russian and Arabic can be heard in bustling tourist areas, each language adding a vibrant thread to the island's cultural tapestry. This linguistic diversity speaks to Cyprus's historical role as a crossroads of civilizations. It's a land where ancient Greek myths are passed down through generations, where Turkish coffee is savored in sun-drenched squares, and where English afternoon tea is enjoyed amidst the scent of bougainvillea. The languages of Cyprus are a testament to its enduring ability to embrace and harmonize diverse influences. The very stones of Cyprus whisper tales of empires long gone. From the legendary reign of Cleopatra to the conquests of Alexander the Great, the island has been a stage for some of history's most pivotal moments. The legacy of these ancient civilizations is etched into the landscape, from the majestic tombs of the kings to the sprawling ruins of Kourion, an ancient Greco-Roman city overlooking the azure waters of the Mediterranean. The arrival of Christianity in the 1st century AD further shaped Cyprus's identity. The Apostle Paul himself is said to have preached on the island, and today Byzantine churches and monasteries dot the landscape, their walls adorned with intricate frescoes that offer a glimpse into a rich spiritual past. Cyprus's history is a captivating tapestry woven from the threads of empires, conquests, and enduring faith. The mid-20th century marked a turning point for Cyprus as it embarked on its journey towards independence. Following a period of British rule, the island nation finally gained its freedom in 1960. A hard-won victory met with both jubilation and trepidation. The newly independent nation faced the daunting task of forging its own path, balancing the aspirations of its diverse communities. However, the road to unity proved to be a rocky one. Tensions between the Greek Cypriot and Turkish Cypriot communities escalated, casting a shadow over the young republic's future. The events of 1974, with the division of the island, left a deep scar on the national psyche, one that continues to shape Cyprus's political and social landscape. The events of 1974 and the subsequent division of Cyprus sent shockwaves far beyond its shores. The island became a focal point of geopolitical tensions during the Cold War, with international actors drawn into the conflict. The UN peacekeeping force, established in 1964, took on a more prominent role, patrolling the buffer zone that separated the two communities. Today, the legacy of division continues to impact Cyprus, shaping its political discourse, its economy, and the daily lives of its people. The search for a lasting solution remains a top priority, with ongoing negotiations and international efforts aimed at reunifying the island and healing the wounds of the past. Cyprus stands as a poignant reminder of the human cost of division and the enduring hope for reconciliation. For over 5 decades, the turquoise-helmeted soldiers of the United Nations Peacekeeping Force in Cyprus, known as UNFICYP, have stood as guardians of peace on this divided island. Patrolling the buffer zone, a 180-kilometer scar that snakes across the landscape, these peacekeepers from around the world work tirelessly to prevent a return to conflict and foster dialogue between the divided communities. Their presence is a constant reminder of the international community's commitment to finding a peaceful and lasting solution for Cyprus. Beyond their role in maintaining the ceasefire, UNFICYP is actively involved in confidence-building measures, supporting civil society initiatives, and facilitating dialogue between Greek Cypriots and Turkish Cypriots. Their tireless efforts offer a glimmer of hope for a future where the island can be whole again. Despite the challenges posed by its divided status, Cyprus has emerged as a resilient and dynamic economy. Its strategic location, favorable tax regime, and skilled workforce have attracted international businesses, transforming the island into a regional hub for finance, tourism, and shipping. Cyprus's accession to the European Union in 2004 further integrated its economy with the rest of Europe, opening up new markets and opportunities. The island has embraced innovation, particularly in sectors like renewable energy and technology, positioning itself for continued growth and prosperity. Cyprus's economic success story is a testament to the determination and ingenuity of its people, who have overcome adversity to build a thriving nation. Beyond its stunning landscapes and economic achievements, Cyprus possesses a soul, a spirit that resonates in the laughter of its people, the rhythm of its music, and the warmth of its hospitality. Cypriot culture is a vibrant tapestry woven from ancient traditions and modern influences. Step into a traditional taverna, and you'll be greeted with the aroma of souvlaki grilling over charcoal, the sound of bouzouki music filling the air, and the genuine warmth of the locals. From the intricate lacework of lefkara to the lively dances of the sousta, Cypriot traditions have been passed down through generations, keeping the spirit of the island alive. Whether you're sharing a meal with a local family, exploring ancient monasteries nestled in the Troodos Mountains, or simply basking in the warmth of the Mediterranean sun, you'll experience the true essence of Cyprus, a land of resilience, hospitality, and enduring charm. From the sun-drenched beaches of Ayia Napa to the rugged beauty of the Akamas Peninsula, Cyprus offers a wealth of experiences for every traveler. Dive into the crystal-clear waters of the Blue Lagoon, explore the ancient ruins of Salamis, or hike the scenic trails of the Troodos Mountains, where hidden waterfalls cascade into emerald pools. Indulge in the flavors of Cypriot cuisine, where fresh seafood, sun-ripened vegetables, and aromatic herbs combine to tantalize your taste buds. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a journey through history and culture, Cyprus awaits, ready to captivate your senses and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. As the sun sets on the Mediterranean, casting a golden glow over the island of Cyprus, one can't help but be struck by its enduring spirit. This island nation, marked by both ancient history and recent division, possesses a resilience as vast as the sea that surrounds it. The people of Cyprus, guardians of a rich cultural heritage, continue to navigate the complexities of their past while building a brighter future. From its sun-kissed shores to its vibrant cities, Cyprus invites us to witness its journey, to learn from its past, and to embrace the enduring hope for a united and prosperous future.